boom. We like beginner friendly every day. Just I gotta go pick up my Postmates wigs. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? The wig got me feeling good, y'all. Today we talking about this banger. We're talking about this banger right here, sent over from Wigtypes. This is the Bobbi boss. Her social security number is MLF582. Miss Denise in the color too, and I'm smiling, y'all. Y'all know how I feel when I'm smiling. I am that person that just, I can't lie. So I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about this wig. I'm gonna show you how I put it on real quick, real easy, and wrap it up with my final thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and jump into this easy wig.
You make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. All I know about you, you like to pick and choose. Make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. 'Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, 'cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me, 'cause you're on to that. Got me locked in now. Go ahead and take a shot. Do you really want me? Maybe you're just playing. The way you're making it move, yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat.
Alright, my friends, so I'm finished installing Miss Denise. She's so cute. Alright, I'm gonna try to wrap this up because it's been a long filming day and my eyes are starting to act up. Y'all know how my eyes get. I don't know. I be trying to be cute with these contacts, but my eyes just don't like colored contacts. But then in the beginning of the day, I'm like, they cute. But by the end of the day, I'm like, why'd you put them on? So this wig was sent over by Wigtypes. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. Again, this is the Bobbi boss. I don't know why I say Bobbi boss like that. Bobbi boss. This is the Bobbi boss MLF582 Denise wig, and I have the color number 2, and she is giving. Let me go ahead and give you guys some specs. So it says it's from the Boss Lace collection. It's a soft perm yak. Yeah, I feel like this is my hair, and it's a soft perm, and it's a yak. You're gonna get 5 inches of deep lace part. It says it's ear-to-ear lace as far as the frontal goes. Why did they say ear-to-ear lace? I don't know what was y'all know. It's a lace part wig. Yeah, I don't know what the point was with the lace frontal, but that's what they said. And it says, it says exceptional natural press texture. I can agree with that. This texture is exceptional. This is an exceptional natural press texture, y'all. So yeah, it's very beginner friendly. It's a lace part wig. I just went in with a little bit. What did I use? I think I used today my Khrissy spray because I'm trying to use up all the sprays that I have. I have like 10 of them hiding down in my bathroom, you know. So today I picked Khrissy, and Khrissy is secure. All I did was spray right here. That's all you need. I didn't spray the side. I went in with a wig grip, and she's giving me life, y'all. She's giving me so much life. If my eyes were not burning. My eyes are burning. I hate that my eyes are always burning. But it's the bright light. Like it's late. I bulk film. So sometimes I start off early in the morning, and then by the end of the day, the bright lights are like, oh my God, your eyes. Anyway, that's not the point. I really do like the texture of this wig. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. It's definitely flowing. It's not stiff. It is synthetic, but it's still giving me life. It's still giving me nice, beautiful texture. You're gonna get some nice bumped ends on here. This, oh, I probably shouldn't have worn black. Hello?
Hi, Christina. This is, where am I supposed to...
Sorry, y'all. I had to go get my Postmates. Babies have to eat. So that's pretty much it. It's a very beginner-friendly wig. It's very cute. It's giving me kind of Bobbi Boss Juba vibes, if you guys remember that wig. And she was cute, but this is cuter. I'm loving the texture. I'm loving everything. I also did put some drops in my eyes, so I think I'm feeling a little bit better. Yeah, she's cute. She's cute. I did see this wig on Phoebe Rome initially, and I was like, girl, I need that wig. And then I saw Danita Marie, and I was like, okay, I'm sold. I think Still Looking Good 58 has a review, but I have not watched that one yet. Anyway, either way, this wig is hitting. This wig is everything. This wig is gorgeous. The cap doesn't feel too small. It feels really spacious. I did have to open up that parting space just a tad where you saw where I was plucking some hair, add some powder, and boom, we like beginner friendly every day. Just I gotta go pick up my Postmates wigs. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig, but overall, I think she's a winner, y'all. I think she's an absolute winner. I think having this one in your collection, look. I mean, some people might not like the extra bumped ends, but I think having the extra bumped ends sometimes with synthetic wigs, it kind of flattens out. You know, so I don't mind that, but I think she's a winner, y'all. I think she's super cute, and $39, you can't beat this. So shout out to Wigtypes again for sending over this wig. I really do appreciate you guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I mean, do y'all care that she don't have a hairline, or y'all okay with the simple parts? Comment below, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
Just wanna give you my best.